know, whatever direction you're actually moving your drill bit is the way you're going to go the opposite of. That was super clear, Guyleen. Thank you. No problem. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and let's do some drilling. Airsee contacted me again. Now I have their cordless drill, and everybody keeps asking me about the drill. Does the drill, are you still happy with the drill? Do you still like the drill? I still love the drill, okay? And I made fun of it because they were like, had it in their pocket, click to the pocket, walking around the street with it, like going places. And I thought, when am I ever gonna need to like be that mobile with my drill? But you guys, I go out on my porch and file my nails a lot, file the dips and stuff off. So yeah, I actually do use it besides just sitting here. And so they contacted me and said, hey, had really great response with your video on the portable one. Would you like to try this one? So I said, sure. I mean, this one I feel like is going to be handy because the things that I don't like about the cordless one, I think I'll like about this one. So it came packed in just a plain white box with foam that everything fit in, so you don't need to see that. Here is the main base of it, and of course it has on and off, and you will operate it though with the foot pedal. So I think what I'm gonna like about that is I can just leave it sitting there and then hit the pedal with my foot, because now when I'm doing somebody's nails I have to reach over, turn it off. You know, that was the one thing that I didn't like about the cordless, is that I couldn't turn it on and off from the hand piece, from the actual Jace drill itself. It does have a lock on, so that's I use this all the time, and it stays charged fabulously. So if you're interested, this one, they gave me a code for you guys to get 20% off. I don't make anything off of it, just getting you a deal. Let me hook it all up and we'll check it out. Alright, so here is the foot pedal, and it clearly says foot pedal there. So we're going to plug that into the foot pedal. Even I can figure that out. And then we have the power. Kaboom. And then we have the drill itself, and you just so it'll only go in one way, the correct way. And there's the drill, shiny new one, and it has a lock, so you know, remove your bit, and then when you put it back in, you lock it back up. And of course, I neglected to say that it comes with a user manual, but yeah, I'm not really going to read that. So I wanted to note really quick that they are interchangeable. So the cordless one I have will hook up to the foot pedal one, and the foot pedal one will fit in my cordless. Pretty cool. And what I do like about this, it has places to put your drill bits. That's handy. And then you can stick it in there to hold it. And it comes with a set of what I think are just useless bits, but you know, if you're just starting out, they're good to practice with. I prefer either ceramic bits or the tungsten bits, and it adjusts from 0 to 30 freaking thousand RPMs. I don't ever, I mean, unless I'm drilling through my wall, I ever foresee needing it that high, but maybe professionals do go that high. The highest I ever go is a 10, maybe a 12 if I'm gonna file off dips. So when you push it down, it turns it off. And when you let go, it goes. That's just the opposite of what I thought it was gonna be, but all right. So you're paused. I do like that. Now that I think about it, it's probably a good idea. And let's see. The other one, 3 is as low as you can get it. And this one doesn't have a digital readout, so I'm gonna say that's probably about the same because it's not quite on 0. And then it goes all the way up to drill through concrete. So also on the bag there is forward and reverse. Forward spins to the right, reverse spins to the left. I've got my foot on it now. Let my foot off and it starts spinning. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're like moving it in the opposite direction of what it's spinning. You know, whatever direction you're actually moving your drill bit is the way you're going to go the opposite of. That was super clear, Guyleen. Thank you. No problem. This bit is not the bit that comes with it, but I like this bit. All right, let's see if I can explain this correctly this time. So as I'm holding it like this and I'm looking at it, it is spinning clockwise to the right. So clockwise means, if you don't know, means the way a clock would turn. Counterclockwise is the opposite of the way a clock turns. This is turning clockwise. So I want, since it's spinning toward me right now, you want to take it up away from your tip so you don't catch your tip. Now this one is heavily glittered. It's got a lot of like big glitters, so it's going to take a little bit more filing. So if you're going to go be around the cuticle, you're going to be, it's spinning to the right, so you're going to be moving to the left. And you want to try to keep your nail, your tip at the angle on your nail. Like so, this one angles in, so I want to keep it at this angle on my nail. Not like this. You don't want to be filing with the tip except around the cuticle, what I do, but you want to keep it even and flush with your nail as possible as you file. If you're just learning and are unsure about the drill and a little scared of it, one of these tips or one of the diamond bits that comes with this kit, you don't have, it's not going to grind away very much. And like this, you can use this one either under the tip if you've got like polygel or something, you got gel stuck underneath there, or you want to just clean your nail beds a little bit, get all the cuticle off, you can use this bit. Actually, any of the diamond bits will be okay for that. This one is a medium bit, and I also see they say, if you can see, medium, C is coarse, F is fine, and they also color code them. So like red is fine, blue is medium, green is coarse. But if you are unsure, absolutely use one of those other bits. Slow this drill down a little bit until you get the feel of it. It's so much easier to do this on somebody else than it is myself anyway, especially this hand.
Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how I remove the rest of my dips and gels without causing any damage to my nails.
Acetone, 100% acetone. And these I just got, and I like them. I really like Maniology's because they're so thin. There's not a lot of cotton on there, and nobody's nails are that wide. You don't need all that. And I really like them for that. But the cotton wasn't very thick. The cotton's really thick and luxurious. So I'm just gonna put my finger on there with a couple pumps of acetone, and I'll fold it down and then wrap it. Now this is the way I do when I remove anybody else's, so I like this method the best. Another method that I've seen people use that I don't like, but you know, it's personal preference. It's got nothing to do with what is better and what is not. It's about, I would just rather do this. Tina with Boon Baby Nails, she had a really good video, and I saw a couple others that had really good videos. How to soak off using the baggy method. I cannot deal with my fingers sitting in acetone. I just couldn't take it. I know I'm wrapping them in acetone, but there's a difference. I mean, this is just touching my nail. That was my whole fingers up to here. And you put it, essentially you put like a half a cup, quarter cup of acetone in the bottom of a Ziploc bag, and you put a couple of paper towels down inside of it. And then you take either a bowl of warm water or another baggie. I used a gallon size bag filled with hot water, or halfway full of hot water, and put my hand in the baggie of acetone with the paper towels. Put that inside the other baggie with the hot water, warm water. You can also use warm rice. I didn't like it at all. It hurt my fingers. I couldn't stand, and then rubbing that acetone into my fingers, I couldn't take it. It hurt. But people like it, and that's fine. If that's what you want to do, you do it. You do you. I do me. I like foil. It is kind of awkward at first to do this. I get it. I've just done it so many times that I pretty much got it down. And I will let that sit for about 5 minutes and then come back and scrape that off. There's also these that you could put cotton in and clamp them on. I don't like them. There's these, same thing. Put a piece of cotton soaked in acetone on your nail and slip that over your nail. It just squishes out the acetone. It just, like, I don't like those either. I mean, these were okay. I liked them when I first came out, but this is just my preferred method. All right, they've been soaking for about 5 minutes. Not really that long. You can go longer if you want to before checking. I usually about 5 minutes, and I've lost my patience and I'm ready to look and see if it's done. Tools I use. So I use a cuticle pusher or one of these gel polish triangle stripey things that remove. This one, these both came from Board Pretty. They're really nice. They're made nice. This one is, I don't know, it comes with some foils or a cheap gel polish, you know, like in a kit of something. These are awful. They're thick. They're not smooth. They're cheap. They're not, I don't know, they're just terrible. I don't like these. When I get these, I usually just throw them away or give them to my husband to take out in the shop and use for whatever. These are really handy, and you're not going to, I know it looks like we really scrape at our fingernails, but you're not going to scrape your natural nail. This stuff really only takes off what's sitting on top of your nail. And then when you hit nail, it pretty much just stops. It doesn't like take your nail off. It just gets the dipper gel or whatever off, and that's it. Or you can use one of these. This one's nice. You can see it's smooth, it's shiny, it's finished nice, it's not left kind of raw. And same thing, it's really not, it's not going to scrape your nail. off. It's not gonna hurt, damage, or scrape your actual nail plate. It's just gonna get the product off, and then that's it. That's how to remove gel and dip without any damage whatsoever. And yeah, don't wear peel off under yellow.
And here they are with one coat of base gel and no wipe top coat. And that's just the base I keep on my nails at all times. And then I switch it out like every couple weeks. I remove it and redo it. And then I use peel off base coat on top of this under dips and gels and polish. And that's it. Alright you guys, I really like the drill. They're both great. The cordless or corded with the foot pedal, whichever you like. I'm never going to get rid of this yellow nail. Alright, thanks for joining me you guys. And have a great weekend. Bye.
What are you doing? Woo! Whee! He thinks he can climb this.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.